Hello everyone. My name is Girjesh Kumar. Basically, I belong from Mathura and I have completed my BTech from AVS Engineering College Kachiabad with Computer Science and Engineering in the year 2024. And after completing my graduation, I joined eVision TechnoSub where they are providing excellent and full detail of module of network, Windows Administrator, Windows Server, CCNA and ITL and live classes and recorded videos and well structured and covered all the modules. And after they have good placement team which conduct telephonic and webex interview practice and also give me personality development sessions, and they helped me a lot in placement. And I got placed in Podway Solutions as an IT support engineer at the offer of 3.5 LPA. And thank you to give me this type of session and everything to get my placement. And this is a great experience with Evis and Technosub and their placement team.